Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and to another video. I apologize if the wind is blowing too fast, but you know, that's the thing when you're shooting videos outside. That's something that we had to deal with it. Today I want to present it to you one of the smaller ones, but with the mini tools. It's not other one than the Victorinox midnite minichamp. That's the name. That's how. Hopefully you can see it. So you can understand me. It's a 58mm knife with a full or a bunch of tools. I mean, one of my preferred knives on this size. We got the instructions and everything. Obviously we know some of the tools. I don't know most of that, but I mean, hey, let's find out what it is. Hopefully we don't mess up. Like I say, so far, you know, it's sitting on the base on the classic, but with more tools. Let's say it's 1 2 3 4, let's say it's a 5 layer. Looks like it's 3, but I mean, we know that. Let's see what are the tools. First of all, we got the scissors, the mini ones, which are really handy, of course. Next one, we got I think the combo tool, if I'm not mistaken, which got the bottle opener, the wire stripper here in the middle, and then the Phillips screwdriver. Like, I don't know if it's the 00 or the number 1 or something like that. I don't know if this one is with the magnet on the tip. I'm not sure. Let's find out with the key. Hopefully, I don't know if it's gonna. Oh yeah, yep. You can feel it. That is trying to pick it up. Okay, yep. It got the magnet on the tip. Okay, so he got that one. Then on the other side we got what we have. I think we got the main blade, the little one, which is a nice blade. Of course, you know, it's sitting on the classic though, so we're not expecting a good one, but I mean, at least that's the job. It cut something, whatever you need at that moment. Then later on we got, I mean, on the next one, on outside on the scale, we got a pen, which is a really handy. It's a really handy pen if you are in a needle one. If you want to use it, well, later we can explain that. So there we have it. We have the pen. God damn it! At the other side, we got the nail file with the cleaner on the tip that cleans your nails, of course. Next one, we got another blade, which I don't know what's the uses for this one, but I mean, we got another one, which is okay for me, I guess. Then next one, we got if I'm not mistaken, this is a package opener, and at the same time it's a orange peeler. That's what that's what I think it is, because I see this one in another in a longer tool, and it's for the package, opening the packages, whatever. And so far what I know is this is a orange peeler. So there you have it. Then over here, we already know that one. Okay, we already know the nail file. Okay. Then I don't know what it is. I don't know what is this for. Believe it or not, I don't know what is this for. What is this that they use for this? So far, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's for the nails. But I saw this tool for people who work at the pharmacies. You know, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna say anything because I'm not 100% sure what this. Well, let's find out. Let's bring them out the hopefully it doesn't fly this fucking thing. Okay, so let's see, the number 5, cuticle pusher. What the heck is that? I'm not sure. You can read it. Number 5 over here, cuticle pusher. I'm not 100% sure what it is or what is that for. What does that mean? Because it's spoken English, but I don't understand something. So there we have it. And the next one we got, I think we got another like a ruler and a small screwdriver, flat screwdriver, like a 3 or 2.5 millimeters. So there you have it with I think it's in inches and in centimeters, I think. Yep, I think so. So that's what it is over here. In the other scale we got a light, which is red. As you know, we know that you press the Victorinox logo and starts the light. Of course, on this one we don't have any like a toothpick or tweezers because we got light and we got a pen. We got the key ring. Of course, we can attach something to that one. We can put them on our keys. It's a little one, but with a lot of tools. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like always, thanks for the support. Catch you next time.